is why I want you to learn this strategy so that you can always have a successful trading activities on daily basis. If you are yet to grab this strategy, then you need to watch this video to the end. And of course, you also need to try it out on your own, practice and practice until you are able to perfect it. Okay, because if you are able to perfect it, you will also experience the same thing I am also experiencing right here. So guys, if you are willing to have a daily profitable trades, then you need to watch this video to the end, and I would ask you or advise you to watch it to the very end. But before I go fully into it, in case you're joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash, and of course I will advise you to subscribe to this channel if you have not done so, because you will definitely have regular updates from this particular channel. And if you love this content, can you give me a like right now and drop your message down there in the comment section? Okay, so quickly, let's go straight into what we have right here. Okay, so with this strategy, I've actually been using it for the past few days now in this week, and we've been making amazing profits on daily basis even with this strategy, and it works on all the assets. Most especially if you are on the Telegram channel, we have a special section for those on the Telegram channel whereby you get to see free trading signals. All you just need to do is just to follow up with the signals, and of course you make good and reasonable amount of profit using the signals. Okay, so that is it. And of course, those that are having the trading tool can also generate signals on their own. Okay, so that is it. So now let me explain the signal and this strategy to you guys. It is a simple Forex trading strategy. I wish I had known this strategy about 5 years or 6 years ago. I am very sure I would have been a better trader than I am today. Okay, and of course, guys, if you are fortunate to watch this video, if you have the opportunity to watch this video to the end, I'm very sure you will be able to say the same thing. Okay, so for the past 2 weeks, we've been milking this particular asset called Ganex 999. Okay, and we've been milking it because it is having a fast movement within the last 2 weeks, and this is giving us an opportunity to milk it successfully because of the strategy we are using. This is 15 minutes time frame, which means each of the candles takes 15 minutes to be created. Okay, before you can have it fully created, it needs to take 15 minutes. So you can imagine how long you would have been in the trade if you are following this strategy. Okay, now let's see it. This particular asset was on uptrend at this point, and of course it got to this resistance zone. It was unable to break out from there because we are using this strategy called trend trading strategy. Okay, all we need to do is to wait for it to either break out above this resistance zone or change the trend from an uptrend into a downtrend, because it has gotten to a major resistance zone already. So there are two things that can only happen from there. It is either it breaks out above it to continue the uptrend, or it change the trend uh, from the uptrend into a downtrend. In this situation, you can see it's changing it from uptrend into a downtrend. How do I know that? Check it out. When it was on uptrend, it was showing yellow color. Right now that it is going on downtrend, it shows red color with red arrows. So we need to follow the red arrows, which are the sell signals. You can imagine we came in around here and we sold it till it got to this particular spot. That's so amazing, guys. That's so amazing. This is 113 candles. Okay, I remember very well we made a profit, a big profit with this particular trade alone, because it's on 15 minutes time frame. We were able to achieve all the TPs. Okay, we actually at first we stopped here, but later on when I noticed that it broke out below the support region, then we sold more. Okay, that's so amazing. So right from there, we now decided that okay, it is either because it has gotten to a major support zone, Okay, we want to know if it will break out from there or it will change the trend. Okay, it didn't break out at this point. I decided to change the trend, but it didn't go too far before pulling back. Okay, to try out the support zone again. And I remember very well, I also analyzed this particular part and I gave us signals both on YouTube and on Telegram channel. And check it out, gave us an uptrend signal again, broke out from the last resistance zone, and of course, but till it got to this region. You can imagine, guys, this is so beautiful, so unique. And remember, we sold from here till we got to this region. This time around, we now decided to buy from here till we got to this particular resistance zone. You can see this is the beauty of the trend trading strategy, because you only need to follow the trend. You don't need to swim out against the currents. Okay, you swim along with the currents of the water. Okay, so that is it. It is easier that way than going the other way around. Okay, it is very clear. It makes it very clear for us to know what to do at that particular point. Okay, so that is it. Now that it has got into the resistance zone, we still need to apply the same principle. Will it break out above it, or probably it will change the direction of the trend? In this situation, the direction of the trend was changed, and of course, from uptrend into a downtrend. And check it out, it sold again. This is so beautiful. Got to this support zone, had a little pullback, but went back down to break out from there to sell more. This is so amazing. I remember 2 days ago, I gave us signals on this. Yesterday, during my morning video, I told us that um, we achieved almost all the TPs, but the last TP was not achieved. Check it out. This is the last TP. It has been achieved, and of course, it has even gone below that. That is the beauty of it, guys. That is the beauty of it. Once you understand how to go about it, you will always be in profit all the time. Okay, or let me put it in this way, you are most likely to be in profit all the time. Okay, and of course, all you just need to do is just for you to get it right. And once you get it right, then you will be able to have a clearer picture of what the chart is bringing and how you can go about it. Okay, I believe this is clear enough, and the same thing is applicable to all the assets. Okay, here is another asset called Paynex 999, also on 15-minute time frame. I remember we actually milked the uptrend to the very end. Okay, right now it has started a downtrend and it is selling at the moment, and I expect it to sell more even till it gets to this particular spot. Okay, so once you understand this, then you are able to use a proper risk management system, then you are good to go. Okay, so my advice for you is for you to learn the trend trading strategy, and it will help you to milk the market almost all the time. Okay, so I will be stopping right there. Okay, if you have any question, you can drop your question down there in the comment section, and you can also reach out to me via WhatsApp. I will be there to reply you. Okay, and of course, guys, if you have any question, drop your question for me in the comment section, or you reach out to me via WhatsApp. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless.